Brace yourselves for this eye-opener. A staggering 90% of Americans fail to meet their daily recommended intake of vegetables. This alarming statistic reveals a shocking truth about our diets. We're not feeding our bodies the nutrients they need to thrive, leading to an imbalance that can impact our health and wellness. But what if we could change this narrative? What if we could make a dish that's not just delectable but also packed with nourishment? If you're part of this statistic, don't worry. We've got a superfood solution that's both delicious and nutritious. This superfood salad consists of 4-star ingredients: kale, quinoa, berries, and nuts. First up, let's talk about kale. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins A, K, and C. It's also rich in minerals like calcium and iron. Not only does it give our salad a vibrant color and a hearty texture, but it also helps in boosting our immunity and maintaining our vision and skin health. Next, we have quinoa. This grain, often mistaken for a seed, is a complete protein source. It's also rich in fiber, which aids in digestion. Quinoa adds a unique nutty flavor to our salad and keeps us feeling full and satisfied for longer. Then come the berries. Bursting with antioxidants, these little fruits are nature's candy. They add a sweet, tangy twist to our salad and help fight inflammation in our bodies. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, they're all good for you. Lastly, we have nuts. Almonds, walnuts, or pecans, take your pick. They provide the crunch in our salad and are loaded with healthy fats. These fats are essential for our brain health and also help in maintaining our heart's health. So there you have it, folks. A salad that's not just easy on the eyes, but also a treat for our taste buds and a boon for our bodies. Together, these ingredients create a symphony of flavors and a powerhouse of nutrients. Preparing this nutrient-rich superfood salad is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's dive right into it. First things first, we need to wash our ingredients thoroughly. It's crucial to ensure all our superfoods are clean and free of any lingering pesticides or dirt. Remember, we don't just eat with our mouths, but with our eyes too. A clean, vibrant salad is a feast for the senses. Next, we move on to chopping. Now this part is where you can get creative. Slice the kale into thin ribbons, dice the berries into bite-sized pieces, and roughly chop the nuts to add that much-needed crunch. Don't forget to fluff up your cooked quinoa with a fork for that light and airy texture. Now comes the fun part, assembling our salad. Start with a bed of kale, that green superfood packed with vitamins A, C, and K. Next, scatter the quinoa, our protein-rich grain. Follow it up with a generous handful of berries, bursting with antioxidants. Finally, sprinkle the chopped nuts for a delightful crunch and a boost of heart-healthy fats. To finish it all off, drizzle your favorite dressing over the top. Whether it's a classic vinaigrette or a zesty citrus dressing, it will tie all the flavors together, making every bite a delight. And there you have it, a vibrant, tasty, and ultra-healthy superfood salad. But this salad isn't just about tantalizing your taste buds. It's about fueling your body with the right nutrients. Each ingredient has been carefully chosen for its unique health benefits. The kale and berries, packed with antioxidants, work to protect your body from damage by free radicals. The quinoa, a complete protein, provides all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. And the nuts, full of healthy fats and fiber, help you feel full and satisfied. This superfood salad is not just a meal, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. It boosts your energy levels, fortifying you for the day ahead. It supports your immune system, helping you ward off illness. And it aids in weight management, keeping you feeling full and satisfied without the excess calories. This is the power of superfoods. They're not just food, they're fuel for your body. So why not give your body the nutrient boost it deserves? There's a saying that goes, "You are what you eat," so why not be super? Embrace the power of nutrients and deliciousness in this superfood salad. Let it become a part of your daily meals, and watch as it fuels your energy, strengthens your immunity, and aids in weight management. This is not just about eating, it's about living better, feeling better, and being better. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nutritious recipes. Here's to a healthier you,